So good morning, students and teachers. I hope what I'm about to share will untangle everyone's tangled minds. So, grading and reporting of assessment results. So first, I will read the learning outcome. At the end of the lesson, students are expected to utilize assessment result to monitor students' learning progress and achievements. So, it is easy to confuse assessment from grading, but they are apparently different. One difference is that assessment centers on the learner. Assessment gathers information about what the student knows and what he or she can do, while grading is a part of evaluation as it involves judgment made by the teacher. So, let me ask you a question. What is grading and assessment? So, grading and assessment is generally the goal of grading is to evaluate individual students' learning and performance. So, the goal of assessment is to improve students' learning, although grading can play a role in assessment. Assessment also involves many ungraded measures of student learning, such as concept maps and CATs. So, what are the benefits of grading and reporting? Provide accurate and understandable description of learning. Regardless of the method of form used, grading and reporting should communicate effectively what students have learned, what they can do, and whether their learning status in line with expectation for that level. So in this chapter, we shall look into the grading system in the Philippines, the weighted grading system, and final rating. In the Philippines, some universities follow a 5-point scale which resembles or is equivalent to the US grading system. This system uses a grade between 1.0 to 5.0, wherein 5.0 is the highest and 1.0 being a failing mark. So, here is the example grade point scale, 1.0 to 5.0. Grade point equivalence 1.50, so the equivalence is 90 to 94%, and the description is very good. So it means you are pass. So you are passing the highest average of the grade. So if the grade point equivalent is 2.25, the equivalence is 75 or 79%, and the description is satisfactory. So next is the weighted grading system. The weighted system calculates grade items as a percentage of a final grade worth 100%. So, how do you calculate a weighted grade? So, multiply grade on the assignment by the grade weight. So, for example, 17 points plus 80 points equals a weighted grade of 97. So the 97 is the weighted grade. So you need to multiply the 17 points plus 80 points. So the result is then the equal is 97%. So next is the final rating. Final rating or FR means the numerical clarification allocated to particular soil as modified by certain adjustment indicated in the test and these regulations. So how is final rating calculated? Computing your final grade consists of finding your average in each category, then multiplying it by the percentage of the class. It's worth adding all adjusted categories together. So I think that's all for today. I hope you will be okay right now and keep safe everyone and God bless us all. Thank you and have a good day.